In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the Arabic language into English or back to English in Excel or in any Office application. So basically, when I opened my Excel, I can see that I have the right to left sequence and it's all written in Arabic. So how we can change that? It's very simple to do. First of all, as you open Excel, you will directly see this screen, and from the bottom, right at the bottom, you will see this kind of sign. Now, obviously, many of them can't read a single word in Arabic, and that's not a problem. I will show you the exact position of each option. So let's click on this option. And when we see this, we have to click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th option here, which says language. So if we can see English here, we can just directly switch to English. But if not, we can just click on this option, which says additional languages. And here we can choose the English. Just change to any English you want. After that, later on, we can easily change that language. So after that, click on install by clicking on the right hand option. Click on this green button. Now, if you have some Office updates or Microsoft 365 downloading pending, it will continue to download and install the updates. So let me just show you the further process when it's done. And it says we need to close the following applications. Click on continue, click OK, click OK. And here it is applying the updates and closing the application basically. Now, once the application is closed and the updates are installed, just close out of here and then open the Excel again, and you will notice that the language is successfully changed. Let's open it again. And now it is shown in the proper language. So that's how it is done. And if you want to change the language from English to any other language, you can just click on this file menu, click on the account, click on the options and click on language here. And you can switch to any language you want. You can add different languages from here and then install that. So once that is done, just select the language and just continue with it. So that's how the language change is done in Microsoft Excel and all the other Office applications. Now, if we try to open any other Office application, the language in that application should be changed as well. So let's open this up and we can see that even for Microsoft Word, the language is changed back to English. So that's how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn complete Microsoft Office, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.